Donbosco Integrated Development Society BIDS kalapenlong yaka annual general body meeting haka khatlai tarik nailur arhajar arpusan haka sien kabandingkong. Hakani kasngi la sedang shwa da Jingiakynduh balai alam da upadar John Zosiama Provincial Shillong Province. Barok ki dekhot ki bakentup nadu u Provincial Father John Zosiama ubalongkum u President, Father Arcadius Puwen Vice President, Father James Ternyang Secretary, Father Genesius Wanyang Treasurer, Father Michael Makri, Father Cyril Turkey Batkakong Lily Sotun, Kilashim Bentalang Hakani ka Jingiakynduh lang. Kabakham kerpang hakani kasngi ka de ka Plie jong Father John Zosiama yaka farmers market lani ka yo kinong rep kabaderu kasien ka baningkong ba kinong rep kinwan bandi yaki jhur jong ki nakithan nong kandong. Hakani ka Jingiakynduh lang layakran syapang ki project baper bala pentrekam da ka bits bat la pelaj ru yaka newsletter kabakadau syapang kumno ka bits Donbosco Integrated Development Society ka Treshitom ban penlong yaka Shillong Khuborjylla ka bakentiu yaki kenarit ban kentiu yaki Samla jong ka than syate lammi ngi kari India lengba ka bits Tibet ban aibor yaki kena lengba ki jingpensha yaka hok jong ki bat ki weide.
But I'd like to thank the farmers who have come and they have occupied these stalls, and also some buyers also I can see. Lot of buyers also have already come. I'd like to thank everyone who have come from different
having a GM and also GP meeting. So congratulations for the good works that you are doing. So many staff are here, and through your collaboration and through your support, with you we are able to reach out to so many people in the needy in the rural areas. So many social works and the programs that we are having through this pitch. I hope that this farmers market is also one of the fruit of this one of the work, and also to show to others that our works is not in vain, and so people are benefiting and they are producing good fruits as we are seeing here. And so I would like to open this farmers market fresh from the fields. I hope you will enjoy. I like to see all these green vegetables and all that one. So very nice. I think some of them also we will see, and we can also take home maybe for our community today itself. So thank you very much. So I declare that this farmers market is open.
We are here, and also those are part of annual general meeting. As we are about to it will be till evening. So now we move to the next program on top of the hall, and we'll begin our AGM program. So all are requested to go up.
Very nice. We'll be over by evening.
Yeah, bakery, banana chips.
You should have announced in the church. Did they announce?
They announced, I think we have told, but I'm not
Pickles.
I have sent to the
Clears. Shinahi na kumno ne. Shinahi.
milestones of this last 1 year, to recognize also the challenges we continue to face, and above all, to strengthen our vision and carrying forward the noble works that we have been doing. It is also a very special joy to extend a warm welcome to for our provincial, John Zosiama, and the chairman of BITS, whose presence, despite his many responsibilities, shows his commitment and fatherly concern.
This morning, on this AGM World General Meeting, maybe this is the first time I think I am attending. Also last year, I don't remember, that we had this AGM meeting. Very informative and very inspiring to listen to the reports, especially so many good works that have been done in the last 1 year through the BITS, various programs and the projects that were carried. We released this BITS newsletter, which will be read by so many people who will come to know about what we are doing, what we are doing, and also we have a greater impact on the people and also all the stakeholders, also those who are sponsoring and supporting our project.